Hi y'all. I didn't want to make that last video about time any longer, so this is going to be just about telling time to the nearest minute. Okay, so let's just do a quick review. If we start, say, at 3 o'clock and the minute hand goes all the way around 60 minutes, that means that now it's 4 o'clock. That was 1 hour, 60 minutes. Now, we're going to go half an hour. Still start at the 12 and go all the way around to the 6. Now it's on 30 minutes. It's gone halfway around, so that means now it's half past 4 or 4:30. Okay. Now, if we change it and go 15 minutes, we were right here, 5, 10, 15 minutes. That's a quarter of an hour because quarter means 4 parts. Takes 4 parts to make a whole. And on a clock, a quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. So that is a quarter till 5 because it's coming almost at the 5. It's almost there, but not quite. So that means it's gone 45 minutes past 5. I'm sorry, past 4. Now then, let's talk about, I'm going to rewind this, make it a little easier to see. We're going to go right about here. Okay, this is about the time when we're in school that you start loading up to go home. But look at the minute. Okay, am I looking at it right? It's almost the time. Sorry, I'm still looking at this backwards. It's almost the time to get ready to line up to go home from school when we were in school. Okay, so the hour hand is almost on the 3, right? So that means it's still 2 o'clock something. It's still 2 something. Now, if you look at this minute hand, it started up here when it was 2 o'clock, and it went all the way around. Here's 30 minutes for the half hour. And then it went all the way around. It's still gone past 45. Oh, look at that. It's still gone past the 50-minute mark. But it's not on 50 minutes, is it? No, it's gone 1 more minute. So remember the minutes, we count by ones. Whenever we're breaking them down, we are counting by ones. So you might think this is 250. But it's not. It's gone 1 more, so that's 51. So the time right now on this clock, if I can get it written down, is 2:51. Okay? Now is that AM or PM? Remember, I told you we're at school and we're fixing to get ready to go home. So 2:51 p.m. I hope you're not awake at 2:51 a.m. Let me get my clock. Okay. Now then, we're going to keep moving forward. We're going to keep moving forward. Oh, look. It moved 9 minutes and got to 3 o'clock. Okay, so now we have 3 o'clock, but we're in the process of getting ready to go home, and after a little while, we get right about here. So what time is this? The the hour hand and the minute hand are almost straight together, aren't they? But not quite. So we're not going to be any kind of a 12:00, like when it's the top of the hour, or a 3:00 when it's the top of 3 o'clock. Okay, the minute hand started right here, and it's gone 5, 10, 15. Has it gone 20 minutes? No, hasn't gone 20 minutes, but it definitely went past 15. So now let's check the minute and see what it is. So we're going to start 15, 16, 17, 18. So this means that the time now is 3:18. I wanted to double check and make sure I didn't write that wrong. Okay, so we have 3:18. Again, this is PM because we're fixing to head home. Okay, now I'm going to give you a quick review of how to write time like you would see on an analog clock. And actually, that's it. Easy, huh? When you write out the time, that's kind of what you see on an analog clock, only they're squared numbers. Can I do it? Yeah, there you go. I bet you've seen those before, haven't you? That's 3 o'clock. And sometimes they even have dots on here. There's a dot up there. If the dot's at the top of the clock, usually means AM. If it's at the bottom of the clock, then that means PM. Okay? So those are what the digital clocks look like that we've talked about before. I'm just going to show you. This is how you write the time when it's the top of the hour. If it was a analog clock, you would write the time like that. Okay? Half an hour would be 4:30. Okay? 4:30. A quarter till 5 would be 4:45. A quarter till, that 15 minutes. Okay? Now, those are all the things I just kind of wanted to go over with you in a little bitty short video. If you have any questions, again, call me, let me know. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay happy, and don't forget to read. Love you.